Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tori. If you're new here, we are off in a frenzy, I always feel like, to the discount grocery store. I have about $35 to get some fresh items, unless they have some sort of meat on sale at a really good price. We're gonna stock up on that. We are pantry cooking, but I still wanted to show you our meal plan and all of that for the day. So come along with us, see what we find on sale. Hey, are we gonna find some sales? Hey, are we gonna find some sales? Why?
Yes.
We're gonna find some sales?
For the bowl?
Nope. Some sales for food.
Hey, Dad.
No chicken. If you're new here, hi, hello. My name is Tori. I do mom life, prepping life on a budget. We are generally this chaotic. I am a wife and mother of 2, soon to be 3, and we like everything saving money. So if you're into that kind of thing, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. We are gonna head out, get on the road. We live in rural Colorado, so it's about a 40-minute drive, but we're excited for, where are they? Yep. We're excited for some sales. I hope you are too. Okay, we're on a dirt road, so everyone calm down. But I forgot to mention the farm down the road here does pay what you want veggies, and I'm subscribed to them because we had a CSA through them. So they, what was I gonna say? We have to be careful because there's hens back here, there's cats, there's a rooster.
Where's the cat?
over on the side there. But they have pay what you want vegetables on the side, and he said he was cleaning out his root cellar. So when I went by the other day, there was beet greens sticking out of the top. So I think there's beets, carrots, sweet potato, and regular potato, which would be fabulous because he might throw out his seed potatoes too, which would be helpful for our garden. So we're gonna stop by there and see what we can find, because I feel like there's some good deals, but we just have to find them first, right? So we're gonna take you there too, and then I will show you the haul when we get home. I don't really do filming in the store, it's not my jam. So, and you all know what a grocery store looks like. So we are gonna head to Kroger, which is King Soopers, and well, we're gonna head to King Soopers, which is Kroger, and then we are gonna come home, and that's it. Yeah, so wish us luck. Sales, if you just be positive, this is gonna happen, right? We are back from the store and the farm stand. We did not need a lot. We just needed some things to get us through the week, and that's what that 35, you know, $20 to $35 is used for fresh things and things that we use all the time. So we have some salted butter. We got some grape tomatoes. We have some organic strawberries. These were on sale for $3.99, so I was really happy to find those. We got some baby carrots. They were on sale too, $1.90, I think, something cheap. I got a pineapple because my husband took my #1 pregnancy craving to work with him, which was a pineapple. And then I got some organic milk. We found these flatbreads. I just need something easy tonight, so I'm going to do pizzas, and they were $1.82. And then I found this bread, and I've been making our bread for like 2 weeks now, but I love this bread. It's $2.85. Sometimes it's $6.99, $7.99. So I was happy I found it. I just really love it because it's whole grain, everything bread. So I really enjoy this. I'm going to put some in the freezer. There's no preservatives, so this will mold quickly. That is why I need to eat some today, and then definitely put some in the freezer. And then bananas, we go through bananas a ton, so we're typically picking up 1 or 2 bunches a week. And then the corn's on sale. Well, all the frozen veggies are on sale for 99 cents. So I just got some sweet corn. We are out of ours. We did not freeze enough. I totally wrote that down in my garden binder here. But I'm going to get this put away, and I'll get you turned around to show you the meal plan and the pantry meal plan of the week. I think it's going to be a good one. Hey there, it's quite a bit later. The kids are in bed. The birds are chirping if you hear the little chicks in the back. We had a bit of a scare with one. She's okay. I think she just got stuck in their water somehow. I don't know. So it's been a hectic night, but at the farm stand, I was only able to get some seed potatoes and the beets were looking pretty rough. And I went in and talked to him and just asked for some insight on a few gardening things. So it was a win-win. I gained some knowledge and some seed potatoes, but we're going over the meal plan now. I'm probably not going to type this one up and put it in the community post just because it is very random and it's the pantry challenge. So I hope that's helpful. Anyways, for breakfast, eggs and toast. We've been on a kick. It's just easy. We enjoy it. The kids know what to expect, but we try and jazz it up a little bit. So the next day, we're doing cheesy eggs and bruschetta toast, which is just tomatoes and balsamic on the toast because onions have been giving me a stomachache recently. And then on Wednesday, we're doing quinoa nourish bowls, and that is from some cookbook I have from Kristen Cavallari that I can't remember right now, Pregnancy Brain, but it's just like marinated quinoa. There's some olive oil and vinegar in there and some spices. And then we do the eggs as well as, you could do like pancetta in there or bacon or ham or something like that. But I just do avocado on top of it. It's really good. And then Thursday, we're going to do some bagels. I have some frozen that I made last week and veggie cream cheese. And then Friday, you guessed it, eggs. And instead of toast, we're doing home fries. On Saturday, we're doing sausage gravy and biscuits. I have some ground sausage, and that was from Target a few weeks back when I got them for like $2 or something. But I have some sausage to use up, moral of that story. And then on Sunday, we are jazzing it up once more and doing a Southwest scramble. So we are doing eggs, bell pepper, onion cooked I can handle right now. And we'll do potatoes with that. And then for lunch, I'm doing corn dip because I have flatbread in there and it's just easy. The kids have been loving dip as much as I have, so we're all enjoying this pregnancy craving. We're going to do some broccoli soup, and I'm going to show you how to make that here in a second because it's really easy and I enjoy it. I feel like it doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't mimic the famous Panera broccoli cheddar, but it's a lightened up version. I think it's really yummy. And then we're going to do leftover corn dip, leftover broccoli cheddar, and then on Friday, I guess, if we don't do leftovers, we'll do a flatbread pizza, something quick because Friday is busy for us. And then we're going to do leftovers or sandwiches. We always have things for veggie sandwiches with cheese and hummus and bread. So that's always an easy lunch for us. And then we'll do leftovers. We're keeping lunch very simple and zero waste. And then for dinner, we're doing burrito bowls. We have some chicken in the freezer as well as pumpkin waffles. So we're doing chicken and waffles, and we serve that with gravy and mashed potatoes. If you are from Northeast PA, it's a staple at the local fire hall. We used to go on Sundays after church and eat that. It's very yummy. Then we're going to do some shrimp and asparagus with risotto. We're going to do leftovers halfway through the week. And then we're going to do pierogi lasagna. That's like one of my favorite easy ways to make pierogies. We're going to do soup and salad. We have a ton to use up in the freezer soup-wise. And then salad, we always have greens. And then for Sunday, we're doing double tacos, which is essentially just a flour tortilla and a corn tortilla. And then you just put guacamole or cheese on in between them and they stick together and it's a double taco. The kids made up that name. And then, so for a meal prep, this is from last week or the week before. I can't remember. I don't know. But I didn't want to waste a page here. For the meal prep, we're going to do some corn dip, some broccoli soup, which I will show you here, some pierogi lasagna. We're going to do chicken in the crock pot. And then we're going to do sheet pan veggies. And later on in the week, I'm thinking Friday, I want to show you those recipes as part of the pantry challenge. But here is your time. If you want anything used up in your pantry, and I may have the ingredients, I would like to throw in a recipe from one of you. So if you want me to make something, now's the chance. I'm going to get cooking tomorrow. So if you want me to make something, let me know and I will do it and include it in Friday's Friday's video. But this is it. This is the meal plan, and you can screenshot it if you want right here. I'm sorry if you can't read my handwriting, but here it is. Let's get into this broccoli soup. Please remember, with all of my recipes, this is just a guideline and what I put in my recipe. So you can add to this if you want, but you're going to need some carrots. You're going to need some broccoli. I found mine for $2.97 a little bit ago, maybe like 5 days ago at King Soopers. You're going to need an onion. You're going to need 3 potatoes and a can of beans of choice. White beans work the best in my opinion. And I really like butter beans. So I have the Eden organic butter beans. They're very, very tasty. And I'm doing 6 ounces or maybe 7. I'm not sure how many this block has, but the organic I know doesn't have as much as the regular. And I'm just doing white cheddar cheese. I find that cheddar works the best, but you can use whatever cheese you want. I'm going to get my broccoli soaking first. As you can see, I'm going to need a bigger dish. So I'm trying out a new way to soak these, and I'm doing water and I'm doing salt. And I find that it takes some of the oils off of these non-organic veggies because sometimes when they spray their pesticides, there's some oil in it. I'm adding my potatoes and I'm chopping them pretty small, and I'm going to soak these as well in salt water. And well, that didn't make sense. I'm going to soak these too in some salt water, and that's just getting some starch out. I find that it just makes a creamier soup if I do that. And then I'm going to cut up my onion here. I'd say about a half of the onion, but of course preference is key. And then carrots. I love raw carrots, especially in pregnancy. It's really helpful for my nausea, and I'm just dicing them up into little bits here. Sometimes I shred them up. It just depends how I'm feeling. I had to cover up that onion. It was making me very, very teary-eyed. I just dunked it in a little bit of white vinegar and covered it up, and that usually does the trick for me. And now I'm just taking some scissors, and that's how I cut up my broccoli. So I take the ends of them and give them to the ducks. They really enjoy that. And then the heads go into most of my soups. I wish the kids and I could stomach that, I don't know, stem of the broccoli, because it is very nutritious for you, but we are just going to leave it out for now. After my broccoli's done, I just rinsed my can of beans. I put that into my pot here, and I did 3 cups of water. So I brought that up to the simmer with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and lemon pepper seasoning. And then I stirred it up until everything was soft. And then all I did was shred up that cheese and add it in handfuls just so I didn't get any clumping. This would be the time to add some milk if you wanted to, but I find that there's so much flavor from the veggies. It really just is a easy weeknight soup. Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's video. It is quite a bit later now. If you're new here, again, hi. I would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to drop that recipe if you want me to make anything for Friday's meal prep. And I'm going to see you on the next one. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. Bye, everyone.